Are you tired of learn English by the boring way? What if I told you there is one fun and inspiring secret to learn English every single day? It's so simple that you will kick yourself to practice it sooner. Stay with me up to the last and I will share you 10 English songs which changed my English in week, and I hope it will do the same for you. I remember the time when I felt stuck and textbook were so overwhelming and I couldn't catch a single words in English movie. Then I discovered a magical shortcut, music. It wasn't shortcut, it's rewire my brain to English fluency. Imagine singing along your favorite song and you are improving your English without even realizing. So without wasting our time, let's move on to the 10th song that changed my English fluency, and I hope it will change your English fluency too. Number 1 song, Hello by Adele. This song is very interesting. When I used to listen this song, I was feeling like, oh my god, I'm really listening something that's really gonna help me to improve my English. So I hope you will listen it too. And what's about this song? Actually, when you will listen this song, you will feel confidence and you will improve your emotional words, vocabulary, and that's really gonna help you to speak fluent speaker. I hope you will definitely gonna listen this song, and I hope you will write the lyrics of every song. Number 2, Someone Like You. It's also by Adele. This is one of the best music I ever listen in my English speaking career, because it's totally easy. When you will listen this song, you gonna understand each and every line's meaning. So that's why it's very important to go and listen this song, and you will also understand the song. You know guys, what happened when you are listening something and you are not able to get their meanings, you will feel that, oh my god, what's I'm doing right now. And if you're doing something that you understand, that you feel it's okay for you, then you really gonna engage yourself in that work. So that's why I'm telling you, this is one of the engaging song you should listen. Number 3, Let It Be by the Beatles. Oh my god, if you are one who worry about your grammar, then this song is definitely gonna do you, because in this song you are going to learn so many grammars, rules and phrases. So that's why it's important to listen this song. So go and listen this one and improve your English. Number 4, Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. Oh my god, who don't know Taylor Swift in India? And if you are a beginner, then you must follow him, because he is speaking very smoothly and easy way. And in this song you are going to learn some funny phrases, and also it will boost your confidence. So go and listen this song. And number 5, Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Oh my god, this is one of the romantic song, and if you will listen this song, you are going to learn a lot of romantic words in this song. So go and listen this and learn vocabulary about romantic, so that you can express your thoughts, your feelings in front of your girlfriend. So go and do this. Number 6, Imagine by John Lennon. This is one of the visionary song, and if you will listen this song, you will learn a lot of visionary words. So if you are interested, so go and watch and listen this song, and make sure that all the song which I am recommending you right now, you will watch this all song in English with subtitles, so that you will feel that you are learning something and you can imagine yourself that you are improving your English speaking skill. Number 7, Happy by Pharrell Williams. This is one of the most important song if you are interested in grammar. So go and listen this song, because this song is focused on adjective. So go and listen this song and improve your English grammar. Number 8, Count on Me by Bruno Mars. This is one of the best song I ever listen in my lifestyle. So go and listen this song, because as you know that as a beginner we all have to listen English content more and more. So this song is dedicated like that. It will improve your listening skill, and it will also boost your confidence while you are in the public. So go and listen this song. Number 9, We Will Rock You by Queen. This is one of the best song I ever heard in my lifestyle. Basically it's focused on phrases and rhythm. So go and listen this song. Number 10, last but not the least, Havana by Kamala Kamilo. Practice pronunciation and enjoy catchy tune. Don't waste another day with boring methods. These songs are shortcut to mastering your language. Imagine where you could be a month if you will start improving yourself today. Music taught me more than it's just a language. It gave me confidence to express myself, and it can do same for you. Which song you will start with? Comment well. Let's build this journey together. And don't forget to subscribe on more life-changing tips on learning English.